In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Notebook LM giving incorrect or unexpected answers. If Notebook LM is giving you odd, vague, or flat-out wrong responses, it usually comes down to the inputs you've given it and the way you're asking your questions. Notebook LM only works with the materials you upload, so let's walk through how to tighten those up and get accurate results. Start by verifying your source quality. Because Notebook LM relies entirely on your uploaded documents, any issues in those files will show up in the answers. Open each file and check that the content is accurate and up to date. Make sure it's complete and not cut off. Look for missing pages, truncated tables, or sections that end abruptly. Confirm it's readable. If it's a scanned PDF, ensure the text is actually selectable and not just an image. Blurry scans, skewed pages, and poor OCR will confuse the model. If you spot problems, replace the file with a clean, final version. Think of it this way. If the source is messy, the answers will be messy. Next, make sure the right source is selected. When you've uploaded multiple files, Notebook LM can sometimes pull from the wrong one if they're similar or equally relevant. Open the Sources panel and actively select or focus on the exact document you want it to use. If there are irrelevant or outdated sources in the workspace, remove them so they don't get mixed into the answer. The goal is to reduce noise and keep the context tight. If you've got duplicate or near duplicate files, keep only the most authoritative version so Notebook LM isn't guessing between them. Finally, ask more precise questions. Vague prompts lead to vague or incorrect answers. Instead of saying, "Explain this document," try something like, "What are the main topics in section 2 of the PDF?" Be clear about the scope you want. Name the section, chapter, or page range, and specify the kind of output you expect, such as a summary, a list of key points, or a comparison. The more specific your prompt, the more focused and accurate the response will be. You can also break big questions into smaller ones, moving step by step through sections or themes rather than asking for everything at once. To recap, clean, complete, and readable sources, the correct source selected and irrelevant ones removed, and precise, scoped questions. Apply these 3 fixes and you'll notice your Notebook LM answers become far more consistent and reliable. Now load up your files, refine your prompt, and try again. You should see the difference right away.